As in the last video, we have already downloaded Webmethod installer. Now we are going to create image from Webmethod installer. Okay, let's open Webmethod installer and go to advanced option. In advanced option, in menu, we have different options available like script, image, caching, logging, server. So click on image and click on use installation image, then create image. After that, select the folder where we want to create image in our local computer. Okay, let's create a new folder. Write name as new 2026 web method. Image, select it. Just select. Here we can give the name WM10 something we can give. We usually give according to the image we are creating. So here we have given, and we have to create image for Windows, so we have selected Windows. Then we have selected OK, and then next. Here we will be giving our IBM username, and we have to go to my IBM.com, and with IBM connection we have to log in. So here you will see container, software and entitlement key. So go here and you can add one new key, and only 5 keys you can add. After that the key will look like this, because I have already added it. You have to copy it and again go to Webmethod installer, and in password you have to paste this key. Okay, and then you have to select the version you want, Webmethod version you want image to be created. Okay, for which you want image to be created. Like the latest version is 11.1 and I am creating for 10.15. So you just have to create, click the version. After you have entered your credentials and the key from myibm.ibm.com, and here are various components of Webmethod that you can see. So I'm selecting all, but yeah, you can have a view of the components also. Like when you will be clicking this plus icon, you will have a full view what included in designer. Okay, like business process, perspective and other things are there or not. Similarly in my web method, you will have a view of what is included in my web method server. Terracotta is there. Fine. So universal messaging is also there. So I guess it is fine. Yeah. All the adapters you can see. Basically we will be working on JDBC adapters as of now, and then click next. So it will just process itself. What are the components it has to create an image of, and we have selected all. So, and we can select this Arabic or non-Arabic thing. These are the components and their update are these. Okay, then click next. It will take some time. I should say much time, 1 hour or half an hour. Okay, so just wait for it to be completed. Basically it is as per your internet speed and the server from where we are fetching this, or we are creating this image, the IBM server. If it is fast and your internet speed is also fast, then it would take around 20 to 25 minutes for the whole image to be created. So you can do one thing is wait. Once this image is downloaded, then the updated image is also fetched. So that updates are also being downloaded and being like embedded in the newly created image of a method 10.15. So that is also done simultaneously, so that we should not be applying fixes. So by default, when we will be using this image to create the to install the various web method component, so we don't need to again download the updates and fixes and then install the fixes. So this we don't have to do. Let's see. So as you can see, the image is almost created. Okay, then after the creation of the image, you will see like this. You will have a overlook of all the products and their updates, which this image contains. And then after, you can close the this thing, and the folder where we have saved it, we will find the image.